Let's invite amethyst into our meditation today. Amethyst is a great stone of protection, and it's also a natural tranquilizer. If you are fighting feelings of addiction or you are dealing with anger, amethyst is going to be a great support for you today. Take a deep breath in and out. And repeat after me. I am centered and at peace. I know that I am being directed toward my highest good. Remember to use this meditation whenever you feel the need for amethyst in your life. Love and light, and I'm holding space for you.